Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to install Fortnite games on your Android mobile because it is not available in Play Store. So for the try, you need to open Chrome browser on your Android mobile, open google.com on your Chrome browser and enter Fortnite Android game. So just enter, you can search, you can see this, come down, you can see this Epic Games page. So Fortnite mobile on Android games. So directly you can click on this link. So once you click right, you need to download this Epic Games app. So I'm going to download this Epic Games app. So this is an APK, so I'm going to install it. So you need to allow the permissions if they want. So given the permissions, so give OK. Package installer, just once. Do you want to install this application? Yes. So app is installed. Open. See, now the Fortnite games is there. I can install it. Click on this Fortnite Epic Games. So click on install. That's it. It is, I think it is about 8 GB, so you need to wait for some time. My internet is very fast, so I think it's downloaded. See, it's super cool. Everything is installed. Fortnite is installed, so click on launch. So I need to give the permissions. Everything okay? Continue. So now create new account. So you can even log in with your PS account or Xbox account into the Switch. I'm going to do it with my Gmail ID. So this is my existing account. Give your name and agree to terms and conditions. Create account. Agree. Till it needs to be installed, it's 7.4 GB. So install it. Okay, got it. I need to wait for some time until it is finished. So download is completed and I can play Fortnite now. So click on play. See now Fortnite gaming is opening on my mobile. It's loading. So I need to click this and I'm going to play with chapter 2. Click on play. Matchmaking is happening. Checking for squads. So I'm going to play now on my mobile. That's it. This is the way you can play Fortnite games on your Android mobile. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks. Thank you. Bye.